Hey guys, we got this Odika wooden one style fits all coffee table. It's a oak coffee table with the two-tier rectangular unique coffee table for living room. So this comes in a very protective box. Let me unbox and show how nicely they packed it. So this comes with the manual, tool and everything. So all the descriptions are provided. So I will install it and I will show you the final product. So it's a water resistant farmhouse and easy assembly coffee table. So you can see it's a scratch proof or the water resistant material. So sides and everything. Let me just take out everything. This is a 38 inches in length and 20 inches in width with approximately 10.5 inches in the middle height and then 18 inches the total height. So this is the top and the bottom parts. So let's just take it out and then do its unboxing and the installation. So the manual describes everything, all the different parts, and there all the parts are numbered like this. So you can see like the numbered and all the tools are provided. So see like the two number here, and then from the manual you can check like the two number, and have all these tools and the screws. So like all these different numbers, I'm putting all the parts in and try to save the video time. So quickly I'm showing the main installation step. So we prepare the structure of the table and then putting on the top block here and just add in here. So it's pretty straightforward, easy installation with the described everything. And this is a very nice coffee table look, as you can see. This is a classic slate design and a farmhouse style coffee table. So this one is the gray table, like the gray color one. So this will be a nice thing along with the Odika, this mat and the coffee table combo. A very nice looking, a nice coffee table and the nice design with the water resistant design.